Welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to talk about Katteb AI, one of my favorite AI writing tools. And as you know, I like to keep you updated when some of these tools get new features or announce new features. And this is why today I will show you 5 new reasons to purchase Katteb, and you can do it directly from their page or on AppSumo, because they are still on AppSumo as of today, 22nd of March 2023. But before, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel so you will not lose my future videos. As I said, Katteb is still on AppSumo, so you can purchase their lifetime deal, and it's really interesting because now you can stack up to 10 codes. So if you usually write many articles and many words, with 10 codes you can get 150,000 words every month. Yes, it has a cost, $390, but it's lifetime. You only pay once and then you will not pay anything. If you think this price is too high, you can purchase one of the lower plans, but you also have less words to write. For example, these 45,000 words per month, it's $117. Anyway, they have 600 reviews, and these are good reviews because, as you can see, they are near to 5 tacos. And if you are watching this video when this lifetime deal has expired, you can purchase Katteb from their site. They have still good prices. I think these prices will increase in the future. Anyway, as you can see, you can write unlimited words for only $25 monthly, and if you purchase the yearly plan, you only pay $210 every single year. Anyway, let's talk about these new 5 reasons to purchase Katteb, because yesterday in their Facebook group they released this announcement. They say 9 days to April and 5 great features yet to come. So these are new features that are coming inside Katteb. The first is WordPress one-click publish and update. I know many of you like to write an article inside your AI writing tool and then with just one click publish that article on WordPress. You will be able to do it with Katteb. You will also have Blogger one-click publish. I don't really know what this is about. I will obviously show you this new feature once they will release it. Google Search Console integration. This can be interesting because I suppose with this integration you will be able to check if your articles are doing well on the SERP and maybe optimize them using Google Search Console integration inside Katteb. Then long-form article writer, a new version because they already have this long-form article writer, but version 4 is coming with new user experience and user interface. And then, watch this, NLP content optimization tool. This is interesting with entities, sentiment score, NLP categorization. So this is a big feature inside Katteb because you will be able to optimize your article, something similar, I suppose, to what you can do with other tools like Phrase, Surfer SEO, or Neuron Writer, or many others. And in my opinion, this one is the most awaited feature inside Katteb, and I'm also curious to see this long-form article in the new version. I'm not so keen in one-click publish. Usually I like to check my articles, then publish them by hand on WordPress with the correct images, the correct alt texts, and SEO optimization. Anyway, you will be able to do it inside Katteb. If you don't know how Katteb works, I already made some videos about it. You can write an entire article using this tool here at the top of the dashboard. You have this Katteb Plus, is the best template. This is only a template. You can't generate an entire article with this. You can do it only from here. Anyway, you have this Katteb Plus fact-checked AI writer. So if you need to write a paragraph or a blog section and you need factual data, this is your best friend. But you also have some other interesting tools here. For example, this credible writer. Here you can insert a source URL and write something based on that source. Just to show you an example, let me use this Katteb page on AppSumo. I can insert the URL here. I can choose the type of content I want: paragraph, listicle, how to guide, product review, testimonial, news report, and so on. Let's choose, for example, product review, and I just need to insert some sort of command here. For example, write a product review about the AppSumo deal for Katteb. I just need to click on generate and wait a few seconds, and I will have a paragraph, I suppose, or a product review in this case, taken from this URL. Sorry, I made a little mistake here. I used this Italian language. Let me change it to English and generate again. Okay, so let's get rid of this. And as you can see, now I have a short review because these templates can only write short form content. But anyway, it's useful if you need to write something factual from a source in this case, and you can do it like this and maybe take this paragraph and insert it in your article. You can even be more specific here. I just wrote a general command, but for example, if I want to also talk about prices, I can add also talk about prices and plans, and let's try to generate again. Now, as you can see, this review is longer. This is the second generation, and it's talking about prices and plans here. $39, that's correct. 15,000 words per month, $117, 45,000 words per month. It's using perfectly the correct data, as you can see here from these plans. $39 for 50,000 words, 117 for 45,000 words. This is how this credible writer works, but you also have other templates here. You also have, for example, these pros and cons. Let's say you want to write some pros and cons about Katteb or about anything. You can use this template. I can choose my country because, as you can see, you can choose any country in the world. Let's try with United States. And for example, let's try to write some pros and cons about AppSumo. It's generating the content brief, the fresh content, and the localization and fact-checking phase. Okay, again, I made the same mistake as before because Italian is my default language here, so let me change again in English. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's generate again. Perfect, now I have my factually checked pros and cons. On AppSumo, in this case, incredible prices on top software deals for entrepreneurs, no monthly payments, marketplace, and so on. The cons: some deals may not be relevant or useful for all businesses. This is true. Lifetime deals may not always be sustainable, and this is true. Limited availability, and this is absolutely true. Some products may not have a proven track record. As you can see, it's writing all true things. And this is how Katteb works. Everything you write here, it's factually checked. And if you want to see how this part works, the full article generation, you can watch one of my previous videos. I will leave you the link in the description and here in the video so you can see how it works. Anyway, in this full article generation, you also have references. So this is fact checked, and you can see where the data come from, and you also have an anti-plagiarism checker by clicking here, so you can make sure your article is not plagiarized. And this is it very quickly on how Katteb works, and again, you will have these 5 new reasons to purchase it: WordPress one-click publish and update, Blogger one-click publish, Google Search Console integration, long-form article writer 4.0, and NLP content optimization tool with entities, sentiment score, NLP categorization. I don't know exactly when they will introduce these new features, but I suppose in the first days of April. So don't lose any time if you are interested in Katteb, because this lifetime deal is not guaranteed to stay on AppSumo for long. You can obviously find the link here in the description, both for the AppSumo deal and the official prices, the official plans that I showed you before. And in this case, my suggestion is to choose the expert one because it's quite cheap and you have unlimited words. This is it for this Katteb update video. I hope you found it useful. If so, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Again, you can watch for my previous Katteb video by clicking here. Thank you very much and see you soon in the next one.